Hi class, Professor Smith here, excited to create a video on a business application, the value of a new business franchise. And this is actually a problem, number 27, from section 4.5 on page 303. In this example, the value of a new business franchise grows according to the formula V of x equal to 10 plus the ratio of 10x and 1 plus 0.5x. Here V is in thousands of dollars and X is the number of years after 2012. They ask us 3 questions, so we'll blow it up so you can see it a little better. What is the expected value in 2022? Is the value V increasing or decreasing in 2022? And is the rate of increase in the value changing? Is this related to V prime or V double prime? The purpose of this video is to show you that by knowing a few key words, word problems are not so intimidating. So let's take a look at those key words. The first one is expected value. What's the relationship between expected value and value? It turns out they're one and the same. Asking the expected value is saying, what would you expect the value to be? Now, the sneaky part was this. It said at year 2022, and our particular program started, or franchise started, in 2012. So you would have to take 2022 minus 2012 to get 10, and that lets you know we want to evaluate V at 10 because that's the year 2022. Part B is asking, is the value V increasing or decreasing in 2022? So whenever we see increasing or decreasing, that's asking about the rate. How is the rate changing? And since we're talking about the rate of V, that's the derivative of V, or V prime, or the first derivative. For part C, we're asked the question, is the rate of increase in value changing? The rate of the increase or rate of decrease would be the second derivative, and that would be represented by V double prime. And it turns out for this example, when you take the third derivative, you end up getting the derivative being always negative, and therefore we know that it is decreasing. So in summary, part A asks the expected value that's equivalent to finding the value for some particular value of x, in our case 10. Part B, the first derivative is used to determine increasing, decreasing. Part C, use the second derivative if you're looking at the rate of increase. And then the terms you can see by understanding key terms, you have the first step in solving business applications.